Morning and welcome on this lovely Friday. And this is the first time I'm going to the forest this early to make some FPV footage. It will all be about just flying and enjoying myself. Oh, I almost fell. I never done it so early. I never flew so early. So yeah, this is my first time up. I see the sun already rising there. I hope you can also see it when I do my flying. And I hope you enjoy it. I'm all geared up. The drone is ready. I hope he's more awake than I am because I'm not. And let's do some flying in the morning. First, enjoy the lovely sun. Remove the ugly beeping. So fly towards the sun in the morning. I don't want to crash this morning because I'm alone. I don't want to retrieve the drone. But you have those nice long shades in the morning. Really nice. Let's enjoy the view of Rhenen in the morning. It's a little bit foggy. That makes it way more interesting. Look at this picture, guys. So now let's come down. Where am I there? Yeah, because I'm alone, it's a little bit more difficult to fly into the forest because I can't see people. Let's do it. Looks quite empty. I think this is where my son crashed into the bushes, so let's don't do that. Out of the forest again. For going up, I use the slide control. at this. Let's not annoy the people and fly over their houses. What I can do. Let's take a point here and push it backwards. Oh, that's down. I meant backwards. Let's push it up first and push the joystick down. So I go backwards. Over these trees. So these are all the areas I normally record. This is a field where I record. Of course, this is a field. And the other fields you normally see is over here. Oh, I have to return because my battery is already low. Don't land. Was a little bit in a panic there. I think it's too early for this. So, let's change the battery. Where is he? Oh. So, when you have, like me, the Neo 2, yeah, you can only fly for half an hour max. I already did some intro with the Neo 2 in the forest. I probably should have brought also my Mini 5 because I think that can make way more nicer pictures of the rising sun, but maybe for next time. Let's do some flying again.
So here I started flying, and of course I forgot to press the record button. I will skip to the part where I found out that I actually was not recording.
Stupid, I forgot to record. Okay, luckily I found it. I'm now at 120. I looked in the menus and apparently there's no height limit set. So I can fly how high I want. And look at this view. It's incredible. So I can also tilt around to see the rest. So you see the Rhenen there. The church and the bridge in the distance. Slowly going down. So what I did, I forgot the record. Let's try it again. I flew to the other field. Be careful that there are no people here. I have to go, I don't know. hopefully there's no one in the forest. Oh, can I go there? Yes. So I'm now flying to the other field where I also record some of my videos, crossing the mountain bike trail. So here I also filmed some of my videos. This is the field behind here. Let's try to return to the trees. A little bit more careful. And now back at the field again. Don't know if I recorded. I was trying to fly really low. And you can hit up to 20 centimeters flying like this. Of course, I'm hitting a lot of small grass. I will show you the drone. The drone actually turned green. Now I'm start flying like this. Again, low battery. Will return. Of course, I can fly a little bit because it's not actually low. But yeah. So it's still early. My kids are still asleep. I will slowly walk home now again and enjoy the nice footage I created. So I hope you enjoyed my Friday morning scroll with my FPV drone, and let me know what you want me to do in the comments on a morning like this. Fly FPV or take the Mini 5 out and also do that, or do it both. What do you like to see? And hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe and see you in the next video.